Imagine a world where natural remedies are at your fingertips. Welcome to the realm of healing herbs. First we have chamomile, a flower known for its calming properties, easing anxiety and promoting sleep. Next we meet the mighty ginger, a root that combats nausea and inflammation. And who could forget about garlic? Not just a flavor enhancer, it's a heart health hero with its ability to lower blood pressure. Echinacea, often found in teas, boosts the immune system, while peppermint aids digestion. Finally, turmeric, a spice that's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Remember, nature has a remedy for every malady. Find your herb, find your healing. This is the power of nature, the power of herbs.